Ayos yung ano mo.
Wait, hold there. Hold southeast, hold southeast. I'm pulling. Kill this. Engage on this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop you fast. Use an W on the other guards.
Invade, just engage.
Yeah.
Scavengers engage as well. Invade
Okay.
tight.
Okay.
They're pulling back to the Lord Room.
Yeah. Spread on my northeast, ah.
Scavengers to northwest of the kite. Castle.
Wait, where they going? They're going out. Come southeast fast. Come southeast. Nagtap out sila.
Scavengers is going in.
OC.
Satos yung una, Satos yung invade.
Come southwest.
Satos invade.
Pull the guard. Kill the guard. Use and W lang.
Invade this one.
Sige.
Go back to the Lord Room.
Kill this guards. Kill the guards. We hold here a bit, ah. Kailangan natin ma-1 yan, ma-1.
Pasira na yung wall dito.
Sige.
15%. Yung sa Scavengers.
Hold nga. Come east. Nag-dismount na. Be careful over the wall, ah.
Sira na yung wall.
Sira
Sira na yung wall.
Okay, come northwest.
Get ready, di mo na. Get ready.
Balik na ka dyan in BJ. Open na.
Okay.
Okay.
Kill the guards. Use and W lang. Kill the guards. Use and W.
Sa likod ng Scavengers may GA sa likod.
Sige. Bonk. Fast. Bonk. Patingin ako ng scavengers. Kung lalabas sila ng east side.
Kita po tayong kapanahan.
Sige. Come southeast fast. Come southeast. Abot ba? Tangina, di ata abot. Try nyo nga i-catch. Mga catch nyo. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Kill this. Walang engage yan. Wala na yan. Kill it. That's nothing. Kill punish now. Kill him. We're gonna siege on Giga.
Patulong ako dito.
Yo, someone help my Yani.
Hindi, papatayin lang to. Sayang to.
Sige, right daw, mas kuti yan.
Ino na KS pa yun ng router?
Okay. Mount up. No. Come northeast. Fast. Regroup on me. Come northeast. Kaping pa sila, diba? They have GA, ah. Use their color. Come northwest.
Dish na pa natin. Right.
Palabas sila?
Lumabas.
Sige lang, we're gonna cap the castle, ah. Saan yung guard? Kill this guard. East. South. Use and W lang. Use and W.
Regroup, everyone.
Regroup here. They have... I think it's HOJ.
Yeah, may witch for
Use and W, ah. Use and W only. Bring it southeast. Spread on southeast.
They're coming.
They're gonna try to look. Use and W lang. Don't be afraid. We have team on. Sige lang.
Ready?
You're looking now. Okay, walk in northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Go back. Use and W on guard. Sustain us. Blind. Reset heal.
They're resetting.
Yeah. They have engage na. Ditang sa watch them. Ingat kayo dyan sa hatch, ah. Huliin kayo ng hatch. Mag-spread pa kayo. Southeast. Bring the guard southeast. Bring the Lord southeast. Q and W. Okay, don't be afraid. You're gonna look now. He fucked up. We're gonna engage in northwest shallow. Wait, walk northwest a bit. Never mind, come back. Kill the Lord. Engage on the Lord. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Lord. Okay, good shit. We need to kill this. Huwag kayo masyadong deep. Magpipil yan.
Coming back.
Yeah.
I think they have
Ready team na. Meron nang engage yan. He's looking now. Guard runes.
Careful yung middle, ah.
Yeah. He's gonna GA and then he's gonna catch, ah. He's gonna catch now.
Engage. engage. Ay, na-stop.
No, let's break this. Okay. Wait, no, kill the guard! Kill the Lord! No, come back! Kill the Lord! Kill the Lord, guys! Kill the Lord! Who died?
Demon.
Na-demon yung longbow.
Ay.
Okay, napatay na.
Cap fast. They're gonna come out.
Random drop.
Don't random drop E.
Uy,
Bro.
nakidnap ko.
Ito nga, ulihin na nga to.
Ay, naku.
Pakap ako. One cap. Cap it. We take defender side. Hindi tayo papalugi. Yo! Pakap na namin, men! Putang ina, sino ba to? Kupal naman
Ano yun,
na ito.
Raptor?
Yeah, there's
Nag-mount up sila.
Northwest.
Mounted up na. Mounted up.
Yeah, mag-mount up na. Umalis.
Uy, tong ina, nang-deny, kupal.
Ano ba yan? Natakot.
Wait stay mounted.
Southwest. Nasa southwest sila, wrapping around. Southwest.
Yeah, they're just baiting. They want us to chase them.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Black.